Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Akram and you're watching Knowledge 360. In the previous video, we had discussed about updating data in PostgreSQL database, and in this video, we are going to discuss about deleting data from a table in PostgreSQL. So in PostgreSQL, deleting data means removing entire rows from a table. Just like inserting or updating data works on rows, deletion is also work row wise. There are some key points that we need to remember. You can delete specific rows by specifying a condition using the where clause, and also you can delete multiple rows that match a condition, and also if you omit the where clause, all the rows of the table will be deleted. And deletion only affects data, not the table structure. The table structure remains as it is, and we can insert more data as well. You can also use the delete with a subquery for more advanced filtering. So the syntax for delete command is like this: delete, then from keyword, then the table name, and then the where clause, and then the condition. And when we want to delete all the rows of a table, so we don't mention the where clause, simply write delete from the table name. So let's cover some examples. So first let's create a table called products. The table is created, and now let's insert some basic data into the products table. So we have inserted 6 rows into the table, and we can verify that. So we have inserted this data, and the first example that we are going to see is deleting specific products based on a condition. So example is like this: deleting all products priced exactly at 50 rupees. So this will remove charger and mouse from the data. We can see charger and mouse, they are priced as 50 rupees. So let's perform this delete. So 2 records are deleted, and we can verify the data. So here we can see the charger and mouse are deleted. And the next example is about deleting a product using its primary key, that is exact row deletion. So if we want to delete exact one row, in that case in the where clause we need to mention the primary key of a table. As we know, the primary key uniquely identify all the records of a table. So this delete operation will delete the product with the product ID 3, that is for the product ID 3 is the tablet, the product. So let's delete this. So the data is deleted, and we can verify that. So here we can see the data for tablet is deleted, and also we can delete multiple rows based on a condition. So here we are providing the condition of stock less than 20. So wherever stock is less than 20, so for example for the laptop stock is 10, so this record will be deleted. So this kind of deletion is deletion on the basis of a condition, where we can use the operator like less than, greater than, and not equals to, and so on. So one record is deleted, and we can verify the data. So here we can see that laptop data is removed. So now let's see how we can delete all the data from a table. So here we don't need to mention the where condition, because we know to delete all the record where condition is not required. So let's remove all the data from the products table. So all the record are deleted, and if we check now, there should be no data in the products table. So let's insert the data into the table again. So in the advanced delete option, we can use the subquery to delete the data. So for example, we can use here a delete from the product, where the price is the minimum price of the product. So let's verify the current data. So if we see the current data, the minimum price is 50 rupees, and that satisfy for 2 products, charger and mouse. So when we delete this record and perform this statement, so this will delete the data with price having the minimum price of the product. So let's delete the data. So 2 records are removed, and we can verify that. So here we can see that 2 records are removed. So this is useful when you want to dynamically find and delete the cheapest products from the table. So now let's see the returning clause, as we have already covered in insert and update. So the returning clause is very important. It allows you to see which records are deleted without needing to having a separate select statement. So for example, if we delete this data where stock is less than 20, and that satisfy for 2 record, laptop and tablet, where stock quantity is 10 and 15 respectively. If the data is deleted properly or not, how we can verify? So to verify, every time we perform the delete operation, then we need to select the data from the table. So to avoid that, we can do like this: perform the delete operation, and then the after where clause, then write like this: returning, then asterisk. Asterisk means it will return all the columns of the table. So let's perform this delete operation with the returning clause. So here we can see these 2 records are deleted with this delete operation. So this is one of important feature of PostgreSQL DML statements. Now let's discuss about delete versus truncate. This is very important feature, and this is very important distinction between two statement. They both remove the data from the table, but delete command removes rows one by row and can return deleted rows if returning is used, whereas the truncate is faster and it removes all the rows instantly but cannot use where clause or the returning clause, because we know the truncate does not filter the data before deleting, it just delete all the data whatever present in the database table. So let's perform the truncate of table products. So whatever the data are available in the products table will be deleted. So we have performed the truncate operation, and here we can see that truncate table is truncated, and we can see that there is no returning how many number of records are affected, because we know truncate command removes all the records from the table. Now let's see how we can perform the delete with the using clause. This is one of advanced join like deletion. This allows deleting rows based on another table's data. So for example, to set up this, we can create one table called discounted product, and in the discounted product we can insert data. So for now we have inserted headphones and tablet. So now we are going to delete the data based on the discounted products. So we are deleting data from products, but we are using the using clause and then the discounted product, and in the where clause we are providing the condition. So this condition is the join condition between the two tables, products and the discounted products. So if we perform this delete operation, so the product with headphones and tablet will be deleted. So for now we can see there are data with the tablet and headphones are present in the database. So let's perform this delete operation. So here we can see the delete operation is successful, and we can see that two records are deleted, and we can verify that. So here we can see that data are removed. So before closing this topic, let's discuss some best practices for deleting data from PostgreSQL database. Always preview rows to be deleted using the select with the same where condition before performing the actual delete, and be extra careful with the delete from table name, as it will remove all the data where we are not providing any where condition, and delete affects rows but the table and its structure remain intact for future use. You should consider using the returning clause for audit and confirmation of deleted records, as it will return the rows affected in the database table. Use delete with using clause for powerful multi-table delete scenarios, and use truncate for faster bulk deletion where we don't need to check the data of the table and we want to delete all the records of the table. This was all about the deleting data in PostgreSQL database. If the video was helpful, do like the video and subscribe the channel to get the notifications for upcoming videos. So in the next video we'll discuss about returning data from modified rows in details. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.